Hello, the purpose of this video is to show you how to use a spreadsheet to create a simulation to match a scenario so that you can understand the various outcomes that can happen for that scenario. We'll have two videos. This first one will just show you the basics of the simulation, and the second one will build off of the basics and create a spreadsheet where you actually can visualize the outcomes in terms of a bar chart. Okay, so let's get started. Let's go purchase 30 bottles of soda, and we do that by creating a command that says ran between, and we're going to assign each bottle of soda a number between 1 and 6. And the reason for it is because in our scenario, 1 out of 6 bottle caps are determined to be winners. So we'll say that we'll just pick, for our own sake, the number 6. So every time the number 6 shows up on this random number generator, that will be considered a winning bottle cap. So look at that first one. We would have a winning bottle cap, but we want to purchase 30, so we're going to copy that, drag that right down to box number 31, and you notice that they're all number 6s. And that's because what I did on the formulas is I had my calculation option set to manual. So normally the default is automatic. I place it to manual, and so that it's not constantly reconfiguring as I'm building the spreadsheet. So I hit calculate now, and you can see the different results for a purchase of 30, and then every time I hit F9, that's the equivalent of purchasing 30 bottles of soda and then being able to count the number of winning caps. The good news is I can have my spreadsheet do that equally as easy by saying equal count if my A2 to A30 range every time there's a 6. So in this most recent purchase of 30, 7 bottle caps were winning. I hit F, or winning bottle caps, I hit F9, and you can see the different outcomes that happen. Okay, so that is a quick way to do the simulation scenario, and you can just keep writing the values down on a piece of paper and build a dot plot, and you can get a sense of the law of large numbers at work with the different outcomes and get a better sense of, geez, getting 2 out of 30 winning caps. Is that expected? Is it really, really different? It gives you a much better sense without actually doing the theoretical calculation, which we'll show you at the end of the second video.